Hi, so I'm back with another video. Whoop, whoop. Anyway, this one's super quick and easy. I just wanted to show you how I make my own lotion. I mentioned that I made it in my last ER video, and I said I would show you because it's so easy. So let's do that. Of course, someone is messaging me. Sorry. Anyway, I'm filming on my phone today, so sorry about that. Anyway, so all you need is coconut oil. This is the one I get from Trader Joe's, pretty affordable, easy peasy. Then you need a container to hold it in, preferably glass. I got this one from the dollar store. It's super cute with this super cute pop top lid. And yep, so, and then oh my gosh. So then you just need Gentle Baby essential oil. Again, I get this from Young Living. It's amazing, smells amazing, great for sleep support, great for little guys. You can put a drop or two on coconut oil or rub it in, give them a nice foot massage to help, you know, set the tone and mood for nighttime. It's great to diffuse for adults and children. Amazing stuff. I just love the way it smells and feels on my skin, so that's why I put it on my lotion. I'm touching my babies, hugging my babies, so super great to put on my skin. Okay, so basically all it is just coconut oil and that essential oil. So I have a 1/4 cup measuring cup, so I just take this and basically fill up my measuring cup with the coconut oil. So just go ahead and fill her up. I'm using a knife to do this, which is probably not the greatest scooper, but what are you gonna do? So let me just get that in there. All right, so I have my coconut oil in there, so now I'm just gonna scoop it into my container. I probably should have propped you guys somewhere else where you could actually see every little thing that I'm doing, but I'm literally just scooping the coconut oil out of my little container thingy here. And that's it. Yep, that's it, guys. I told you this was easy. So I got all the coconut oil out. Obviously, if you want to double the recipe, then you just do 2 of those. But that's it. So I have my coconut oil in here now. Let me pop the lid back on. And then what you're going to do is I would start off with 8 just to make sure, you know, everyone's skin is different. Some people may not react, some people might. Most of the time, I think it's rare too, but everyone's skin's different. So you're just going to take 8 to 10 drops of the Gentle Baby essential oil. So this one's getting low. I did just get a new one, so I may need to open it because it's like not wanting to come out right now. Come on. It's like right there too. Come on. Oh, there was one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get my other one. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I forgot to film as I'm putting it, but I just put the last, I did 10 or maybe 11 fell in there. But yeah, I got coconut oil everywhere. So yeah, once you have it in here, oh my god, it smells so good. I'm just gonna take that same knife and you just want to give it a good mixeroo. And guys, that's it. That's seriously it. And I will just store this right on my my nightstand, and I apply it on me and the baby if need be, and that's it. And this little bit, believe it or not, lasts you a long time because you don't need a lot. We all know coconut oil, how good it is, and it literally, I say when I make this small batch, it'll last me almost a month. There are times when I make a bigger batch, but yeah, so you just take it and rub it in, and like I said, I put it all up my arms. And this is also great for your feet, ladies, especially when you want them to look nice for the summer. And yeah, oh, it smells so good. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you decide to try it or anything that you may decide to add to your lotion. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye.